I ran circles around you, we home, took a shit. I told you before, I'm too legit to quit. I'm burning hot wax to light it in the twizzle. I smoke a little squeegee and play it like a fiddle. Just give me a reason so I can charge you for treason. I'm cleaning windows in all kinds of seasons. When you're on a ladder, you must have a spotter. If you chatter, that squeegee like a horse jockey trotter. I move real fast like a cat climb trees. My name is Marcus, I'm the great entertainer. Play out to see you ain't faster than me. Play out to see you ain't faster than me. I'm moving that squeegee like a horse jockey trotter. Play out to see you ain't faster than me. I'm moving that squeegee like a horse jockey trotter. Move real fast like a cat climb trees. Move real fast like a cat climb trees. I get up without Wagtail in the chair.
Welcome to M.A.W. Tips. So, today's little tip is there's many methods of attacking high traffic areas such as doors. Now, if you're out of steel wool and you don't want to get steel wool, here's another cheap way that will get it off just as well. And you can literally use your mop to get the heavily soiled debris off. What you want to do is you want to go to the dollar store. I've mentioned about this product before and get awesome. It is totally awesome. All right. I use this on the frameworks of houses when I'm on the inside. While I'm wiping down the frames, it just makes it and brightens it up. Now, I showed you there's so many different uses and dilutions. Air conditioners, all aircraft, auto, engine. For that, you want to use it straight. Floor mats, 5-to-1 ratio. White walls, 2-to-1 ratio. Bathroom, shower, sink, tub. 5-to-1 ratio, blackboards 20-to-1, blanket wash, car wash 50-to-1, cloth furniture, conveyor belts 10-to-1, doors 5-to-1. This is a door, or maybe they're talking about the door jambs. Driveways, light oil, heavy oil. Light oil 10-to-1, heavy oil 5-to-1, fiberglass, floor cleaning, general cleaning, heavily oiled surfaces. So it will definitely melt that like butter. All right. Then we have ink, kitchen stove, marble, kitchen stove hood, nicotine buildup, great for cigar places if you do them. Paint oxidation. Plastic, rug, shampoo, rust, stain, smoke, damage, steam cleaning, grout, Venetian blinds, vinyl furniture, vomit remover, wax stripping, windows as well. I told you about this. That's 121 because this stuff is strong. So what you want to do is identify the problem areas, the heavily soiled areas. Pre-spray the windows. All right? So you turn the nozzle, pre-spray the windows. There's a stream and then there's a fan, like a mist. There we go. That's the one you want. Pre-spray the windows. Let it sit on there. Let it soak. Forget about it. Go walk away. Start cleaning the rest of the windows. You come back. All you have to do is agitate with your normal solution in your mop, and it comes off like butter, all right? Don't believe me? Try it out for yourself. Eliminate the magic eraser, eliminate the bronze pad, eliminate whatever it is you're using, eliminate your detail finger, just use your regular mop, all right? Now we come over here to the other side. You squirt this down, all right? As I said, it only takes a few seconds to squirt it down. You're not doing any work at this time. You're just spraying. You let the stuff do the work, all right? When you come back and agitate, it's like nothing. So What happens if it streaks the windows? Don't worry about that. That is not enough to streak the windows, all right? You have your normal solution. Once you agitate it and you disperse it evenly, there isn't an issue with streaking, all right? As I said, you can use this for windows, all right? But you have to dilute it if you're going to go that way and put it in your solution. I've done it too. So I wouldn't have to pre-spray the windows. But I just bought this bottle and I just wanted to show you all this tip. Masters at Wagtail, and I'm out of here.